Hey guys, welcome to another airdrop opportunity. It's called Hasbiland. We're already familiar with this guy, Hasbulla Magomedov. He is a Russian social media personality, known for his small stature due to dwarfism, and also viral TikTok videos and connections with MMA fighters. The airdrop is based on his name. Now, if you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have almost 115k followers, and they are very active to build a strong community. The best part is Binance also support this project, so it's a positive sign to get more rewards. So if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can visit our Telegram channel. Also, if you want to stay updated with the crypto, then you can visit our blog where we publish posts regularly. So all the links are in the description, so check them out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. The joining process is very easy. When you see a page like this, I'll provide the join link in the description. Then you just need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Then you see a page like this. Now click Connect X account. And it's done. Now same, connect your Discord account. And done. Now go to the quest section. As you can see, we got the points for connecting our X and Discord account. Then here you can see some more tasks you need to complete for all of this. Here I show you a few how you can do it. Then as you can see, I got points for completing this task. Now you can share your referral link to your friends to get more points. You can also see here you can create a team for adding NFT. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.